to German Gang. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys thank you so much. आप सुबह से मुझे बहुत सारी विशेष आई है टीचर्स डे की. थैंक यू सो मच. सो बेसिकली आज का जो लाइव सेशन है वो आपके क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स हैं. सो मैं यहाँ पे आपके क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स के आंसर देने वाली हूँ. सो आई होप यू ऑल आर रेडी. मेरी वॉइस ऑडिबल है या नहीं प्लीज़ आप सब मुझे बता दो ताकि मैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वर्कआउट करूँ. सो हम अगर क्वेश्चंस के लिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो पहला क्वेश्चन जो मुझे मिला था, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैम आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन, इज देयर एनी गवर्नमेंट जॉब इन जर्मन प्रोफाइल आफ्टर डूइंग C1 एंड C2 और आफ्टर डन MA इन जर्मन. सो बेसिकली अगर आप C1 C2 क्वालिफाइड हो देन C2 अगर आप कर लेते हो तो वो कहलाता है कि आपने बेसिकली कर रखा है PhD लेवल इन जर्मन, क्योंकि जर्मनी की कोई डिग्री नहीं होती है एज सच जो कंपनीज या फिर स्कूल्स या कोई भी गवर्नमेंट जॉब एग्री करती है. C2 इज अ लेवल जो आपको बताता है आप PhD लेवल कर रखे हो जर्मन की. So when you do C1 and C2 there are hundreds of opportunity in government field, so definitely you can go and check it out for that. Plus I have made a proper video on that. You can go for the army thing, army jobs. If you want in schools then you can go for the teacher. Colleges there are so many opportunities. You can just go and see my jobs playlist. There is one proper playlist for the jobs in India. Plus now onwards it will be the second part, next Saturday second part of this will be coming, so you can definitely check it out. Next is ma'am please tell me if I have planned to go Germany, so what kind of job I can set. See, if you are looking forward to go Germany and you want to do job here, so it's totally depend that what you have done in your career. Suppose you are a doctor, you are a teacher, you are a pharmacy person, you are an accountant, so it totally depends on you, and according to that you can definitely decide that what jobs you will be getting there. So for that I think so the question is incomplete. If I will be having the proper information then I can tell you much better. So next is ma'am I want to pursue my higher studies from Germany, so please tell me the entrance exam I need to pass. Suggest any best university. One by one I am taking a question and answer. So the first, ma'am I have to pursue my higher studies from Germany. So yes, definitely you can pursue your German studies. Need to pass. Suggest any best university. One by one I am taking a question and answer. So the first, ma'am I have to pursue my higher studies from Germany. So yes, definitely you can pursue your German studies from higher studies from Germany and you can go forward for that. Definitely you will be getting a good opportunity. Yes, you can go. And if you talk about the entrance exam, there is no entrance exam. You can definitely go and give the Goethe exams, and if you go to the embassy, so for the visa and everything they will be clearing you, so definitely you can check it out. Suggest any best university. This best university depends again on your career, that what you want to do, MA, MBA or any other thing, so it totally depends on you. A proper detailed video that what you all have to do when you have to go to Germany for the higher studies or for the jobs. You can definitely check it out because this video will be so bigger if I will be telling each and everything in detail. Whosoever is typing the questions, I will be answering your questions once I am done with these questions, so stay tuned. Next question is anybody preparing or has already done diploma in teaching German as a foreign language from IGNU? Let me tell you very clearly, if you are doing German language from IGNU, then it is not beneficial for you if you want to get a job, because basically IGNU is not a verified platform. It's a verified platform but not for a foreign language, especially German. If you want to pursue your job in German language, then you have to give a Goethe exam, that is German embassy. That is the commonly certificate. You can get the external certificate and most common questions which I am getting is, ma'am, what are the chances to get the admission in Max Muller? So let me tell you, Max Muller Bhavan is closed right till January. I'm not pretty much sure, but yes, I think so that it will be happening. If I choose the another thing, people are asking, ma'am, what is the difference between internal and external exams? So let me clear you, there is no difference. If you are an internal student, then you have to give more money for the whole course plus examination fees. And if you are an external student, then you can save money and get the get your external exam from. I'm not pretty much sure, but yes, I think so that it will be happening. If I choose the another thing, people are asking, ma'am, what is the difference between internal and external exams? So let me clear you, there is no difference. If you are an internal student, then you have to give more money for the whole course plus examination fees. And if you are an external student, then you can save money and get the get your external exam from Goethe, and that will be much cheaper for you. So plus you can save your huge money. So definitely I will recommend you to do that. Next is, if ma'am, I want to become a German teacher in colleges and school, what's the criteria? If I talk about the criteria in colleges and school, this I have already discussed in my video, which was the whole playlist on job, but still this is a very demanding question, so I'm again repeating. If you want to become teacher in school or any college, then I will suggest you then do at least till B1, and whenever you give your resume to any institute or any school, whether it is private or government, then go with the B2 certificate plus pursuing C1, because each and every school wants that if somebody they are hiring, so he or she should be doing C1 or maybe have done. So that's the basic criteria they accept. And there is one more question which is very common, B.Ed is mandatory in German teaching? Definitely no. If you have the certificate of Goethe, that is enough, so you can go forward with that. Next, it is how to apply for the embassy teacher training. See, the teacher training criteria, if you want to apply for this, then you can go for this only after once you are cleared with the C2 level, and once you are done with that, if you want to pursue in a teacher field, then you can go with the teacher training. There are different courses, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, so you can opt according to yourself. Next is, ma'am, if I do German from DU and don't give Goethe exam, will it be valid to get a job? Definitely no. There are very less companies or some companies or schools which accept the DU certificates. I will not suggest you to go to the DU. Just go with the Goethe exam and give the Goethe exam, prepare for that, and you are best to go. It will be definitely helping you. So don't get confused. Just there are some steps which you have to follow, so just go and do it. Next is, can you ma'am, please tell me how to improve listening and speaking? See, on this I have again made a video that how in quarantine period you can get yourself prepared for the speaking, writing, hearing and everything without spending a single money. So definitely you can opt that. If you still want the suggestion, then I will be saying it depends on your level. If you are for the A1 level, then for the listening you must listen there are the CDs, but right now in today's laptops there is no CD connection in the laptop, so you can definitely go and check it out, the small clips of German language or the basic conversation. And if you want to increase your speaking, then stand in front of mirror, speak as much as you can, make your vocabulary strong as much as you can, because that will 101% help you in listening, hearing, speaking, each and everything. So yeah, and if you are for the B1, B2 or the higher levels, then you can see the German movies, or you can see you can hear German songs for good, and you can hear, in fact, you can read newspapers of German. and you can go for the German articles, German magazines. So there are so many things which you can opt in. So the last question which I have selected is, German from Max Müller-Webern is mandatory to get jobs in Deutsche Bank? Definitely no. Basically what happens is, if you are doing German from anywhere, you will be getting the certificate of Goethe itself. So yes, indirectly it will be a Goethe studies, because once you get the certificate of Goethe, one thing I am clearing here, that internal and external students have the same certificates. There is no difference in such certificates. So from wherever you learn German, you will be getting the Max Müller-Webern certificate once you cleared the B1, B2 or C1 or C2 levels. Now I am taking the questions which you have comments in the comment section. So be patient. I am a pharma graduate facing rejections all the way. Another thing, is there any few master courses for pharma? Definitely there are. You can mail me. My email ID is germangyan04@gmail.com. I will be giving you each and every possible courses in details and websites, so you can check it out. I hope, because if I'll be letting you know here, so it will be a very big video. Next is, I wanna do MBA in Germany, English taught or German taught? Definitely you can go for the English taught. If you want for German taught, then you can go, but I will recommend English taught, and in that you will be getting a great job opportunity, so you can go forward. Job opportunities after MBA marketing in Germany, there is a huge demand for marketing people, so you can definitely try it out. 101% you will be getting a huge jobs. If I give you an example, then for 1 month approximately 3 lakhs plus you can earn in Germany after doing MBA. Next is, ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए जर्मनी में कौन सी सिटी ज़्यादा जाना अच्छा रहेगा? प्लीज टेल मी. सी, इट्स टोटली डिपेंड्स दैट engineering, if I say, then if you have done the engineering and after engineering BTech you have done, right? So I will suggest you to go Frankfurt best or Berlin, definitely, but that both cities are little महंगी, costly. Thank you so much. Ma'am, any certificate or level is meant? No, not at all. Yeah, this email ID is correct. Yeah, so if I talk about the certificate, then you can directly give the highest level exam of Goethe, whether it is A1 if you want the higher level. If you want to directly given, then definitely you can do. If you want directly give C2, then you can give, but do remember, you have to learn and go step by step. You have to do A1, A2, B1, B2 for giving the B2 exam. So don't skip the levels. You have to do all the levels, but definitely you can skip the exams of that. Fine. Yeah, this, thank you Nidhi. Okay, thank you so much for this live session. I hope I have cleared all. See, one more thing, I have got so many questions. I have just selected the most common questions, because I cannot take all the questions. That will be very hard to me to answer, because the video will become so long. So that's it for today's. I hope you enjoyed, and one giveaway is going live on my Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, then definitely you can go and follow me. My ID is GermanGyan1. If somebody wants to get free German language course from me, from German Gyan Institute, then you can follow steps. Giveaway is live. It's a Teachers Day basically giveaway. So go and check it out. And thank you so much for wishing me. I just love you guys. Thank you so much. Please take care and keep learning German with German Gyan. Bye bye.